up guys, welcome back. Part 2 of our 22 WRX full makeover transformation. So I already put everything back together. We're gonna head to Ely Wraps to put the wing on, but I'm gonna show you what we did so far, okay? Start from the front, we got the gloss black. So we're gonna have this option right now. If you wanna send in your flares, you can send in your grill with us when we get gloss black. I think it looks a lot better than the factory gray, in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think. And we went with the new Aero kit. This is called the T-spec kit. So the reason why for T-spec is the sides right here. So this side has a unique design. We call it T-spec. So it's very similar to other ones, just the fend's different. And on the side skirt, same thing. We have the T-spec side skirts, similar to the front. And coming to the back is a T-spec rear spats. So this is all available on the website. And most importantly, we paint match the flares and the rear bumper. Transformation looks super sick. Probably like the 10th ceramic white we did so far. Well, it's 31 local, but all of the United States, we have this done already. So we're gonna take it to Ely Wraps right now. Let me know guys know what you guys think. We did the wing. See, customer requesting a special color to get some overlays done as well. So we'll catch you guys at Ely Wraps. See you guys in a bit. All right guys, we're back at Ely Wraps. Customer's doing the wing right now. We did a special wing on this one. It's still a little dusty, excuse the dustiness, but we custom went with the black center and the white side. So if you want to inquire about this option, we have this available as well. So car's almost done. We do some overlays, rear taillights, the rear bumper, and then the flares, as well as the front headlights. To my left, our car is getting wrapped, so hopefully no one saw that. And yeah, that's it. So Kevin's gonna do the install, and after that, we're gonna shoot the car, get some pictures, and that's it. Enjoy the B-rolls coming up. All right guys, so here it is. Here's the final transformation. Yesterday we came by and then Kevin installed the wing. So let's check out the wing real quick. Customer went with the gloss black center with the white end plates. So super sick, very unique. Matches with the trunk piece right here. So a lot of black and white theme going on here. He's gonna get the car lowered by Ely Wraps soon, and then potentially some wheels. And other than that, car looks amazing. Here's the T-spec kit we have on. Very unique, one of a kind right now. So if you're interested, the link is in the bio below. Flares look phenomenal. Car looks amazing. We also did the overlays, as you can see, all overlays. So it ties in really nice, especially with the gloss black and the black and white theme. So all this, he might potentially get it painted too. I don't know, we'll see. I want to see the customer's reaction, but we're gonna wait. I'm gonna get some photos right now for our website, and then enjoy this B-roll coming up. And that's it. See you guys next time.